everybody, welcome to episode 26 of the famous Pipe Smoker Friday show. Yes, new episode, new week. Anyways, on today's episode, we'll remember character actor Noah Beery Jr. Noah Lindsay Beery was known professionally as Noah Beery Jr. or just Noah Beery. He was an American actor specializing in warm, friendly character roles similar to the ones played by his paternal uncle, Wallace Beery. Although Noah seldom broke away from playing supporting roles, his father, Noah Nicholas Beery, aka Noah Beery Sr., enjoyed a similarly lengthy film career as a major supporting actor. Noah Beery Jr. was best known for playing Rocky, the father of James Garner's character in the NBC television series The Rockford Files. Noah Beery Jr. was born in New York City, New York, where his father was working as a stage actor. His family moved to California in 1915 when his father began acting in motion pictures. After attending school in Los Angeles, he attended Harbor Military Academy but managed to make a number of appearances on film and on stage with his father before adulthood. At the age of 7, he appeared in an uncredited role with his father in The Mark of Sorrow, starring Douglas Fairbanks Jr. At age 19, he began playing amiable second leads and occasionally leading roles, primarily in westerns. Like his father, who immediately began billing himself as Noah Beery Sr., he went on to become a respected character actor. His paternal uncle, Oscar-winning actor Wallace Beery, became the world's highest-paid actor by 1932. And although neither Beery Jr. nor his father ever approached that level of success, both had long and memorable acting careers. The three acting Beerys physically closely resembled each other, but Noah Beery Jr. lacked the powerful voice his father and uncle possessed, which is ironic since both older Beerys had major careers in silent movies. Beery settled into what would be the pattern for much of his career, playing good-natured supporting roles, usually as a pal of the hero. He kept going in such parts into his late 70s. Beery appeared in dozens of films, including a large early role as John Wayne's acting partner in The Trail Beyond in 1934. At the time, Wayne was 27 years old and Beery was 21. Only Angels Have Wings in 1939 with Cary Grant, 20 Mule Team in 1940 with his uncle Wallace, and Red River in 1948, again starring John Wayne. Beery's early television work included a weekly stint in the mid-1950s as Joey the Clown in Circus Boy with Mickey Dolenz. In 1960, Beery replaced Burt Reynolds in the co-starring role of Bill Blake on Riverboat, an NBC Western series starring Darren McGavin. He appeared once on the religion anthology series Crossroads and on Walter Brennan's ABC sitcom The Real McCoys. He guest starred 3 times on the long-running NBC Western series The Virginian in the 1960s, and twice during the same era on Wagon Train. In 1965, he made 2 guest appearances on Perry Mason as murderer Tony Klaus in The Case of the Golden Venom, and then as defendant Lucas Tolliver in The Case of the Hasty Honeymooners. Beery portrayed the buckskin-clad recurring psychic character Buffalo Baker in 17 episodes of the 1967 television series Hondo, starring Ralph Teger, a role played by Ward Bond in the original 3D movie starring John Wayne. In 1970, Beery appeared as Will Baxter on the TV Western The Virginian, but Beery's most famous role, the one he is best known for, is that of Joseph Rocky Rockford, the father of Jim Rockford, James Garner's character on the TV series The Rockford Files, which ran on NBC from 1974 to 1980. Beery was only 15 years older than James Garner when he played his father. On February 8, 1960, Beery received a star on the Hollywood Walk of Fame for his contribution to the television industry. And unfortunately, at age 81, Noah Beery Jr. died on November 1st, 1994, of a cerebral thrombosis. He was interred in Forest Lawn Memorial Park. And that's it for this episode. My thanks to IMDb and Wikipedia for this bio. Thank you so much for watching. Were you familiar with Noah Beery Jr.? Did you see him on the Rockford Files or on any of his many TV and movie roles? Let me know in the comments. Let's have a conversation about this. And as always, if you like this episode, please hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and ring that little bell so that you get notified when new episodes of the Famous Pipe Smoker Friday show go up, usually on Fridays, as well as my movie reviews and all my other programming. Please follow me on Twitter and on Instagram at the El Magnifico. And until next time, may God bless you all. So long. Thanks for all the fish. Ciao.